Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have some permanent outdoor lights by SmartDawn. And I'll show you guys what these are here, and then I'll show you it up on the roof. But it comes with the plug, so we got a plug in. We have the little remote controller device that's gonna connect to it, or we can push the buttons. And then we are given a tremendous amount of lights here. So these are what the lights look like here. They will be they have little stickers, two-sided stickers on them, and then they have, if you look at them, let me show you here, because I know to mounting these things permanently, you need to really screw them in. So they've got the little holes up in the corner and there, and there. And that's what it looks like. So you can tape it on for temporary use, and then you could nail it or screw it in for more permanent use. And it comes with the screws, and it even comes with the little wire thing, so you can tie the wires up to the roof as well. So there we go. So this is what it all looks like here. It's gonna be super cool. So it'll have us chasing lights and different things there. And it looks like, to give you an idea of how far apart they each are, they are about this far apart. So I'd say 16, 18 inches apart or so. So that's about how far each light is from each other. So you get a whole ton of them here, and I'm gonna go set this up and I'll show you what it looks like. Probably up in one of these corners you'll be seeing what it looks like. But really cool. I love these things. Thumbs up.